Cut!
To begin with, let's set some ground rules. No cheating, no speeding, no using the maps, because from the start you're at a massive advantage over me.
Okay.
I have to go all around the city to get to where we have to go.
Yeah.
And
Essentially I have like 80 minutes of an advantage.
roughly, yeah, you do.
So I think I have a pee break in the middle. I can stop for breakfast.
You can pretty much just watch a movie in that much time.
In the Eastern Freeway, I just need to end the Eastern Freeway, and then after 500 meters, I am there.
Yes, I know.
Can you enter the freeway? No.
No.
Okay. I'm so cocky. I'm just gonna tell you. If you come first, I'll get you breakfast.
It goes both ways.
You just want to buy me breakfast then.
We'll see.
Shake on it.
Let's see.
We would be racing all the way from Balewadi High Street in Pune to the Starbucks outlet at Honeyman Circle in South Mumbai. The race is pretty simple. The last one to reach the finish line pays for the winner's breakfast. The bike is at a massive disadvantage because it has to take the old expressway and it cannot take the Eastern Freeway in Mumbai, which means the ETA of the bike is around 80 to 90 minutes more than the car. But since it is a Sunday morning, Tana is hoping to get no traffic and that the old expressway is in amazing condition. Whereas with me, my lead is constant the moment we start since the new expressway is so quick, and plus I can take the Eastern Freeway in Mumbai. But the new expressway is under construction and my car will struggle to keep the pace with the bike once we enter Mumbai. And oh yeah, no maps. So this might be closer than you think.
My weapon of choice for this Pune to Mumbai race is the BMW F900R, 103 bhp of twin-cylinder goodness. The F900R is comfortable for medium distance journeys like this, and with its stocky motor, the bike can cruise all day long and at any gear, any RPM, and it can pick up the pace for a quick overtake or a short blast.
My weapon of choice is the BMW M340i. Now this is a proper car. With its 382 horsepower of turbocharged inline-6 madness and 4-wheel drive to make sure you maintain optimum grip. Why is this car my pick for this? Well, because even though it being a performance car, it is quite comfy. As we were getting out of Pune, the M340i and F900R split paths for the new expressway and old highway respectively. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the M340i has touched down at the expressway, and as you can see, we are doing the speed limit very well below the speed limit. The speed limit is 100, and as I shall now demonstrate how easy it is to win today's breakfast, Eco Pro and cruise control.
As we entered the old expressway, to my surprise, there was little to no traffic and the roads were in amazing condition. The F900R was also settling into the journey, and once you are at cruising speed, the bike settles down and gives little to no vibrations. As we munched on through the miles, we quickly crossed the first toll and saw a bunch of superbikers waiting. I also stopped on the side so that the film vehicle could catch up. We are about 5 kilometers from Lonavala, and we've made this stop because this helmet is not fitting me correctly, so I'll switch to my own helmet.
Yeah, so I said I won't speed, but I have a really nice sounding 6-cylinder engine with a lot of power. So I don't know, why shouldn't I just have fun with it? So
Before we knew it, both vehicles were rapidly approaching Lonavala. Surprisingly, Tanay was able to keep up the pace on the old highway and was roughly 15 minutes behind me in the M340i.
Yes, me and the bike were able to maintain a good cruising speed, and now the tricky section for both me and Bhavneet was approaching, the ghats of Lonavala. On these roads, blind turns and broken down trucks break your speed, and you always have that holy shit that was close moment whenever you get onto this section. The bike was feeling absolutely astonishing through these ghats. The handling was amazing, the grip was reassuring, and most importantly, I had a big wide smile on my face.
Many people would argue, what's the point of a luxury sedan with a 3-liter twin-scroll turbo 6-cylinder with the all-wheel drive system? Well, this is where it all makes sense. Pop the M340i into sports mode and that plushy ride and mellow engine note gets thrown out of the window, and instantly you can feel those hints of M everywhere. The M340i is nothing short of a sports car in these conditions.
We are almost crossing the ghats, and my tiny bladder is coming into action. I really need to take a piss, and this hard suspension is really not helping. My bladder is being jostled around, and I just want to take a leak. Come on, please let me do a little bit faster.
While Bhavneet was taking a leak, I had cheekily gotten onto the unrestricted bike section of the new expressway and was basically 5 minutes behind him. So by the time he'd get done with his business, I would be ahead of him.
After I released the Pacific Ocean from my bladder, I had a rather inferiority complex triggering moment outside when a bunch of Porsche enthusiasts and drivers parked beside the M340i.
Situational report, guys. We have stopped right before the second toll. I'm quite confident. I haven't heard anything from Tanay. I'm pretty sure he's just pissed in the sun and screaming at every other truck driver in the old highway, because I'm living the GT life and I've taken a wee. I'm getting amped up. Time to win this race.
Unfortunately for Bhavneet, his stop before the toll costed him the lead, and now me and the F900R were in the lead. As we were closing in on Mumbai, I was starting to appreciate this bike more and more. The F900R is quite possibly one of the most well-rounded bikes I have ridden. It has enough grunt to keep you satisfied, it is versatile enough for almost any journey, and most importantly, it entertains you as a rider with its amazing handling, linear power and minimalistic looks.
Okay, almost entered Mumbai, and let me just tell you, this is a beautiful GT car. The suspension is supple enough for you to go a long distance. I have had no issues. Climate control is set perfectly. I have cruise control on. It sounds amazingly in the tunnels, and I just am living life. Tanay is suffering, I'm pretty sure. So I'm actually quite happy.
As we neared Navi Mumbai, to my surprise, look who pulled right beside me. From here, it was totally in the hands of the city itself. The winner would be the one who faces the least traffic, blockages, and other external factors. I would be taking the Eastern Freeway via the Vashi Bridge while Tanay had to go the long way around, using the Airoli Bridge and then taking the Eastern Highway and not the freeway. So now it was in the hands of Mumbai.
I've just got a notification from production that even Tanay is quite close. We are literally less than a kilometer away, and he's also entered 4th. So I am livid because I have taken this a bit too lightly, and hopefully I don't get any red signals anymore. Please. Hold that, buddy.
Huh?
Hold this. This is a gift for you. Hold it. Hold it. No, hold it. This is your gift to me. And how was it?
It was actually not bad, dude. On the old expressway, I was munching time pretty quickly. And even in the city, it was actually not that bad. The only problem that I had was that I faced a lot of rain. So I had to go slowly.
My prayers.
So
my prayers.
I had a bad feeling that you were praying for that.
Yeah, I
And
saw
the
a couple of drops, and I was to the GoPro. I was like, yes, thank
and
you.
the moment it started raining, and I was just like, this Bhavneet must have definitely asked for this.
Honestly, if there wasn't no rain, I'm gonna be honest, I was 2 minutes before you.
What bullshit.
So you have covered up like 78 minutes of our Google Auntie's predictions, and it's uncannily close. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you ever want to have fun and adrenaline is your thing, the bike is a good idea. But if you want to do it in style, the GT is the way to go. Thank you so much for watching. This is your boy Tanay. This is your boy Bhavneet. This is the GT M340i. That's the bike F900R, and this is the driver's up. See you in the next one.